Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying connectivity and freeing resources. If Wi-Fi looks weak, switch to cellular once done or move closer to the router. Make sure to force quit the App Store and a few heavy apps so memory clears. This often removes transient stalls. Then restart the device with the hardware buttons, hold the power until the slider, or use the reboot command. This sequence resets network sockets and clears stuck processes, giving the App Store a fresh environment to load from. Next, address account and network layers that commonly block loading. You should sign out of the App Store or Apple ID, wait about 30 seconds to flush tokens, and sign back in. This forces credential revalidation. If loading still stalls, reset network settings. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, because corrupted DNS or IP leases often hang store requests. Also check date/time and disable any VPN or proxy. Finish by ensuring software parity and cache clearance. Update the device OS and install any pending App Store updates so compatibility problems vanish. Then clear the App Store cache. Use the built-in tab refresh trick or the platform's cache method so stale data won't block loads. If it still fails, back up and reinstall the OS or collect logs and contact support. Troubleshooting tip: if issues recur intermittently, note the exact time and network to correlate with server outages or ISP DNS problems when you report it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.